back will be right here. And the main difference between our back reservoir model and our standard Princess model is that this is built with these extra extensions off the top, across the back there, for the tank to rest on. Let me get a couple bolts done.
Nice, it drops in there.
Well, it's nice if we can get it to drop in there. Sometimes we have to take a grinder. Well, not yet. I got to do a few minutes of setup here first. I'll do that afterwards, but that shouldn't go out the door. Now, a mistake people sometimes make with these back reservoirs is, and the same thing with the top, the shelves and back, is that they'll put each screw in and then tighten it down tight. And what they need to do is just kind of loosely put on each screw or bolt and nut, because they'll tighten it down later. You know, it doesn't hurt to have, you know, a little bit of play in here at first so we get the tank resting on. Now to really get the effect, we should probably put the back. This is also all stainless steel, welded. Well, and then once that's on and firmly in place, then we tighten these down.
Dan, you're saying that amount of surface area wouldn't be enough to use up?
This here?
Yeah.
It took a long time, really. You know, a lot of our users, particularly our Amish users, we're type, you know, the fire will die down overnight, or like in this area of the country, for instance, it may get down into the 30s and 40s, you know, at night, and then days get very warm. They just, yeah.
How thick is the stainless on this tank?
It's 18 gauge stainless steel, also .045. Of course, this isn't a finished top.
Yeah.
But our end reservoir extends the length of the top from about 45 inches to 54. So the person using the stove gets an extra 8 or 9 inches of cooking space here to slide move positively. But we changed the lid a couple years ago to a flip-up style. That. And the reservoir holds 9 gallons and should be hot enough to make Dad's coffee, water. Oh, probably in a half hour to 45 minutes from the full start.